If you've been curious about how to make money with AI, but everything you see online feels way too technical or overwhelming, then this video is for you. I'm breaking down 7 beginner-friendly AI business ideas that you can realistically start this year. No coding, no tech background, and no huge audience required. These are real businesses that people are already making money with using AI as a tool to save time and scale faster. So if you want ideas that actually generate income and actually make sense for beginners, then keep on watching. Now, before we jump in, if you want more than just these 7 ideas, I've got an entire master list of over 50 different ways you can make money online with AI linked below. It's a completely free guide, so you can download that and get some inspiration for which ones might be the right fit for you. All right, let's talk about our first AI business idea, which is content editing or repurposing services. This is where you're helping business owners and content creators either edit their videos or repurpose their videos into multiple pieces of content. It may sound easy enough, and you might wonder, well, can't they just do that themselves? And the answer is actually, yes, they could, but a lot of content creators and business owners are so busy, they either don't have the time or energy to edit their own videos or repurpose them, so they're going to outsource those jobs to freelancers who can take that off their plate and do it for them. And thanks to the AI tools that are now available to us, you don't have to be an expert video editor or content creator yourself to do this. So if you're going the video editing route, you could either edit a content creator's long form videos that are 10, 20 or more minutes, or you could edit their short form videos that they might be using for something like Instagram Reels, TikTok videos, or YouTube Shorts. Or if you're repurposing, you might be taking something like a long form YouTube video and breaking it up into several shorter clips that they could then repurpose on different platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. So they're not having to do double the work and create all new content. They're getting several different pieces of content from just that first video. You could sell your services as a weekly content package where you agree with your client to provide a certain amount of pieces of content for them each week. Or you could sell it as a monthly retainer where you're agreeing to them paying you a certain fee each month to do all the work they need for that month. So my first favorite AI tool to use for this is going to be Descript. I love Descript for video editing because unlike traditional video editors, it's a text-based editor. So you upload the video and it automatically transcribes it, and you can look at the whole transcription of your video and edit based on the text. There are tons of great features, but specifically talking about their built-in AI tools, you can use their AI video editing capabilities like automatically making your video sound more clear, adding studio sound, removing filler words and shortening word gaps, adding a green screen, and a lot more. It also has AI tools for repurposing, like creating clips or identifying highlighted portions of the longer video for you to edit and work with further. If you think you'd like to try out Descript, I've got my affiliate link in the description box below. That'll give you the option to try it out completely for free and see if you like how it works. And along with Descript, I also love Canva Video 2.0, which is their new upgraded video software. They've recently changed this from a page-based editor to more of a traditional video editing system with a lot of great AI capabilities built in, like removing the background, pulling highlights from the longer video, generating video to layer on top, generating an AI voiceover, cleaning up and enhancing audio tracks, and automatically generating captions. Now, some of these features you will need Canva Pro for. That's the upgraded version from the free Canva. So if you think you'd like to try out Canva Pro, I've got a link for that as well in the description box below. It'll give you a free 30-day Canva Pro trial so you can use some of those upgraded features and capabilities and see if you think it might be a good fit for what you need for your business. Now, you might be wondering, where do I sell services like this? And you've got a couple options here. Number one, you can sell these on a freelance platform like Upwork or Fiverr, where you list your freelance services for sale, or you can just find content creators and business owners who are needing these services to directly reach out to. In this case, you're going to be looking for content creators, YouTubers, influencers, and coaches who maybe you notice aren't actually repurposing from one platform to another. So what you can do is take one of their long form videos and edit or repurpose it yourself, and then send them your finished work as sort of a sample with a really friendly and professional message, something that's short but clearly gets the point across that you offer these services, you're giving them an example of your work and offering to work with them further. Because if we're real, a lot of people are creating content, but almost nobody wants to do the work to repurpose it and work smarter instead of harder to grow their audience. All right, let's move right along to our second AI business idea, and this is creating and selling homeschooling or parenting resource bundles. These are going to be digital tools that you create to sell to help parents manage homeschooling, routines, behavior, or organization. Some examples of specific products that you could sell in this category would be daily or weekly homeschool planners, morning and bedtime routine charts, chore systems according to age, lesson planning templates, and calm down or behavior charts. The reason this works is because a lot of parents need help with coming up with with organization for the home, or especially if they're homeschooling, but either don't have the time or know how to go on and create something like this from scratch for themselves. They'd much rather go on and purchase something that's already created that they can just instantly download and print out or use digitally. And these types of resources can easily be created even by a beginner with the help of an AI tool. The reason I love this one is because you can sell them in bundles of resources. So instead of selling just one single tool, you'll sell a bundle of them. Let's say a pre-K homeschool bundle or a parenting, behavior, and chore chart bundle. You can charge a higher price point when you sell things as robust bundles, and they're more likely to sell because you're giving that parent everything they need in one purchase. You can sell these on a platform like Etsy if you have an Etsy shop, or even sell them on your own website with a platform like Shopify. You can also do things like go onto social media, let's say Facebook, and find some relevant groups by doing a search for something like homeschooling groups or parenting groups, and help serve those parents that are inside that group by providing valuable insight, but also every now and then posting links to your offers. Of course, you want to do this according to that group's rules if the group has any rules about direct selling or posting links, but these can all be great ways to get your products out there and in the hands of people who could use them. Now, my favorite AI tools to use for this are going to be a combination of ChatGPT and Canva AI. So of course, if you already have a very specific, detailed idea of exactly what you want to create, you could just go ahead and start with Canva AI and input a prompt telling it to generate whatever you're thinking of. But if you need a little help in the beginning, before you go to Canva AI to create the actual product, you can give ChatGPT a prompt to help you start brainstorming. Something like, I want to create a weekly homeschool planner for homeschooling parents to use to plan out each week. Give me ideas for what could be included, and a prompt I can use with Canva AI to generate the design. Then ChatGPT will give you lots of different ideas and hopefully some really great prompts that you can just then copy and paste over to Canva AI and get the design actually created using Canva AI. Of course, with Canva AI, any design it generates for you, you can then click and bring it into your editor in case you want to change out some specific things, like changing around the colors or the fonts or even changing the wording out. But this can be a great way to save a lot of time as opposed to creating something like this starting from scratch. Now, like I said before, this is considered a type of digital product, which is also the category of our next business idea that we're about to jump into. And there are tons of different types of digital products like this that you can sell online to make profit. Now, if you're like, yes, Kate, I know for sure I want to create a digital product to sell, but I have no clue where to even start with this, then I've got you covered. I've got a deep dive masterclass that I created just for those who are wanting to start and grow a profitable online digital products business, but need a little guidance along the way to start actually making sales. It's called Digital Product Powerhouse, and it's completely free to watch. It's 45 minutes long, and it's going to give you the 4 crucial steps you need to take to start and grow your digital products business today. So if you feel like you could use a helping hand on getting started selling digital products, then definitely click that link in the description box below to hop over and watch that masterclass right when you're done watching this video. All right, next up on our list is creating and selling printable wall art. This is simply just digital artwork that you're creating and delivering as an instant download file so your customer can download it and print it out themselves without having to go to the store and find a physical product to purchase. There are lots of different niches and categories when it comes to different types of wall art. You could sell everything from nursery wall art to Christian or faith-based quotes wall art, art with motivational quotes for a home office, to seasonal or holiday decor, to even creating gallery wall art sets for specific niches, like a boho set or a skyline set or an art deco set. The sky really is the limit here with what you can do with your creativity, and you can sell these per individual design, or like I just mentioned, you could create a bundle or a wall art set of multiple designs that sell together in one listing, letting you up the price point and make more profit per sale. I love this option because it is hugely in demand, specifically on platforms like Etsy. People are more and more wanting to purchase this type of wall art because they can get it instantly and print it out in whatever size they want, choose their own frame. It really is a win-win situation because they're getting their product quicker and more customized to what they want, and you're able to do the fun work of creating the design without having to store any physical inventory, and you're able to use AI tools to make the whole process go faster. Now, when it comes to creating designs for wall art using AI tools, there are several different tools you can use, but my top picks for this are going to be Midjourney, Kindle AI, Canva AI, and ChatGPT. Little side note here, one thing I love about using ChatGPT to actually generate images is you can then bring those images into Canva to edit them further. But whether you go with Canva, ChatGPT, or any of these other options, all you'll need to do is give it a good detailed prompt of what you're envisioning for the wall art and let the AI do its magic and generate it for you. All right, moving right along to our next AI business idea, which is to create your own AI coach clone. Now, this is specifically for those of you who are wanting to be educators or coaches or to help others in a specific area, area, but you don't have the time or don't have the desire to offer one-on-one personal coaching, you can create an AI version of you that answers questions, gives guidance, and coaches your audience. You can use this in several different ways. Number one, this coach clone can serve as sort of your coaching assistant and just go along with a course or a program that you already offer to help provide extra support to your students. Or it can even serve as a standalone one-on-one coach so that you're not having to actually put your time into one-on-one coaching, but the people you're wanting to serve and help still have a sense of being able to ask the questions they need and get specific answers customized to their specific problems or needs at the time. You could sell this as a monthly standalone membership where people pay month to month to have access to this coach. You could sell it again as an additional feature that's built into a program or a course that you already offer, or you could position it as an upsell, something that's optional that people could add on to any other product that they're purchasing from you. The AI tool that I recommend for this is Delphi. This is the one that I use to create my own personal coach clone, and I love it because it has so many amazing features. When you're creating your clone, you can actually go on there and upload your content, your teachings, any kind of materials that you want to train it on. So it's actually learning your methods, your strategies, everything that you're teaching it is what it's going to teach back to your students. So when I created mine, I uploaded all of my years of content from social media, all of my YouTube videos, all of my course lesson videos. It's been trained on pretty much every strategy I've ever created and taught. You can also train it on your voice. So you upload voice clips of your own voice, and then you can edit it and alter it to sound as much like you as possible. So your students have the option of texting, but they can actually also call in and talk to it back and forth, and it sounds like you. It's pretty much the closest thing that your students might have to actually having a one-on-one sit-down chat with you. It's absolutely a win-win situation because they're going to be able to get something that feels very close to one-on-one coaching without the giant price tag, and you're able to serve a lot more people and not be limited by your time and receive some ongoing revenue from it in the process. At the end of the day, everyone wants support, but they can't always afford pricey one-on-one coaching, which is why this is such a great solution. All right, let's jump into our next idea, which is creating and selling print-on-demand products. If you're not familiar with print-on-demand, it's a way that you can sell physical products without having to purchase any materials, store any inventory, or ever have to actually lay a finger on physically creating, packaging, or shipping the order. You'll create the design that goes onto the product and then partner with a print-on-demand company who receives a sale from your shop when it comes in and fills and ships the order straight to your customer on your behalf. You don't even have to ever pay anything until you make a sale, and at that point, you pay your print-on-demand provider the base cost for whatever the product was, and you keep the rest as your profit. Some examples of really popular print-on-demand products that sell well online are t-shirts and sweatshirts, mugs, tumblers, tote bags, and even physical canvas wall art prints. Again, your main job here is going to be creating the design, just like we talked about for the digital wall art, but here you're actually creating a design to put onto a physical product. So you'll go ahead and decide what type of product you want to sell and create the design for it using an AI tool like Canva AI or Kittle AI. You'll download the final file and then bring it into the website that you've chosen as your print-on-demand provider. Some popular ones are Printify and Gelato. You'll sync it up with your shop, whether you're selling on a platform like Etsy or Shopify, and watch the profits come in as the sales go straight over to your print-on-demand provider and they get the product shipped out on your behalf. All right, moving right along, let's talk about our next AI business idea, and this is selling custom GPTs. Now, a lot of people get confused about what a custom GPT is. All it is an AI assistant built for one specific purpose or for one specific audience. It's like using ChatGPT, but instead of it being so broad like ChatGPT, it's been trained to know how to answer a specific set of questions for a specific need or person. Now, anyone can be a user of a custom GPT, but most likely if you're creating and selling these, you're going to be creating them for coaches, educators, online business owners, content creators, service providers, parents, homeschoolers, or entrepreneurs. So when you're here on ChatGPT, you'll just come to the left where it says Explore GPTs, and then you'll come to the top right where it says Create, and then you can create your GPT either by staying on this Create tab or coming over to the Configure tab. The Configure tab will allow you to do it manually, so you'll input all of the information for your custom GPT, like giving it a name and a description, giving it instructions for what it's meant to do, conversation starters, and more. The main part you'll want to pay attention to here is the knowledge files section, where you can actually click here to upload files for your custom GPT to reference as it's working. So for instance, you can see a couple of custom GPTs that I've created just for myself for my own personal use, but I could, in theory, sell these as products if I wanted to. I've got an email marketer and a caption writer. So if I come to my email marketer, you can see the title is Assistant Email Marketer. The description is short and sweet, writes emails for Kate's list. So this is my assistant that helps me write emails that are going to go out to my email list. I've given myself some prompts here, including I want to write an email about this topic, I need an email for, and then I give a CTA that I have in mind, or write an email for my upcoming launch promoting this certain thing. So I can start with any of these as an easy start, or I can just ask it anything here. So I might say, create an email draft that announces my new Canva course. I'm launching it on Monday and offering 50% off for 7 days only. Now, of course, if I was really doing this to create an actual email I was going to send, I would give it more information. But for this demo, I'm just going to give it that prompt. And since I've already created it with some of my knowledge files, including my brand guide, where it already knows my writing style and my brand voice, it'll go ahead and give me a draft of this email that's written in the way that I would, sounding like me, using the right words. And that's because I've built this as a custom GPT that sounds exactly like me. It has knowledge files to reference, so it knows the names of my courses. So you can do this really for anything. Like I said, I've got one that is a caption writer that helps me write captions for social media, so I don't have to do things like this from scratch every time. So if you're wanting to sell custom GPTs, you'll just need to think about your target customer and what they need the most help with. Then you would build out a custom GPT like this, and what you're selling to them is the link to actually access this and use it. Now, once you have your custom GPT created, there are some different ways you can position this to sell it. You can charge for monthly access as a membership that your customer pays each month to have access to it. You can sell it as a one-time lifetime access license where your customer pays one flat fee and gets lifetime access to it. Or you could even add it to an existing course or program that you sell to beef it up, make it a little more robust, and provide a really useful tool for your students. At the end of the day, as great as ChatGPT is, people are less and less wanting general AI and wanting AI tools that feel more niche and custom to what they specifically need. All right, and moving right along to our next business idea, which is selling Canva invitation templates. These days, when people need an invitation for something, 9 out of 10 people are going to be looking online for a digital version that they can either send digitally and do the whole thing electronically, or a digital template that they can then edit and make the invitation what they want it to look like before they download and then print it out themselves or take it to a print shop. So you as the creator can design a really awesome invitation design inside of Canva and then sell the link to the template. So you're not selling the invitation itself, you're selling a link for the customer to actually go in and access this template inside of their own Canva account and edit it themselves. It never touches or alters your original because Canva has the ability to generate a unique template link for you to then sell, which allows your customer to open up a unique copy. You can create these types of templates for all different kinds of invitations. We're talking birthday parties, baby showers, weddings, graduation parties. There are literally so many different options here. Now, of course, this is all happening inside of Canva because Canva is where you're going to generate that template link and where your customer is going to edit their template. But you don't have to create this template from scratch. You can use Canva AI to give it a prompt for the type of invitation that you want. You might say something like, create a birthday party invitation for kids that is mermaid themed in a pink, blue, and purple color scheme. Then of course, again, anything that Canva AI generates, you can then alter by bringing it into the editor and changing around what you want before finalizing your file. You can sell these invitation templates individually or even a bundle. Like let's say you're selling a wedding bundle. So you might have not only the invitation template, but templates for an RSVP card, a seating chart, and so on. You can sell these types of templates on a platform like Etsy itself, or even on your own website or through a social media platform. Now you will need Canva Pro to generate that Canva template link. So remember, if you want to try Canva Pro for 30 days completely for free, you can click on that link in the description box below to grab your free Canva Pro trial. So there you go, friends. I hope one of those ideas was helpful for you. Don't forget to click the links in the description box below to grab your list of over 50 different ideas for ways you can make money with AI, and also to hop over and watch Digital Product Powerhouse, my free deep dive digital product training class. Happy selling.
Already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.